In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view fees on a trade on eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're fully signed in so you can access the trading interface and see the most accurate details for your account. This is important because fees and balances are shown in the context of the trade you're preparing to place. Once you're in, search for the asset you want to trade. You can use the platform search bar to quickly find a stock, cryptocurrency, ETF, or other available instrument. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct asset, especially if there are similar names or symbols. Next, open the Assets page. This page gives you a closer look at the market information, recent price movement, and the available trading options. From here, you'll be able to move into the order screen where fee details are shown before you place the trade. Now, click Trade or Buy, depending on what appears on your screen. This will open the trade ticket, which is where you set up your order and review key information before confirming anything. Enter the amount you want to invest. As soon as you do this, the platform will begin calculating the trade details based on that amount. This is useful because fees can change depending on the size of your trade and the settings you choose. Look for the Estimated Opening Costs section. This is the part you want to focus on if you're checking the fee for opening the trade. Here, eToro shows the estimated charge associated with entering the position, giving you a chance to review the cost before moving forward. If needed, change the investment amount or adjust any order settings. Then review the updated estimated opening costs again. This step is helpful if you want to compare how different trade sizes affect the fee. It's a good habit to check this carefully so you know exactly what to expect before placing the order. After that, review your available balance and the rest of the trade details. Make sure the amount you plan to invest fits within your available funds, and double-check that the order information matches what you intend to do. If everything looks right and you want to continue, click Buy to proceed with the trade. At this point, you'll be submitting the order using the settings and costs shown on the screen. That's all there is to it. By checking the Estimated Opening Costs section before confirming, you can quickly see the fee for the trade and make more informed decisions on eToro. Thanks for watching.